Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my homemade coffee ice cream. So let's get started. So you need 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream. I'll pour it in my bowl. 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'll pour that in. Now I'll blend this all together. You want to make sure it's well blended. That looks good. So now I'll turn my mixer off. In my bowl, I'll place about 4 to 5 tablespoons of instant coffee in my bowl. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I really like the coffee flavor, so I'm going to add in the 5th one. So that's 5 tablespoons of instant coffee to 1/3 cup of sugar. To this, I'll add in 6 tablespoons of very cold water. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now mix this until it's well combined. For my really cold water, I put ice cubes in it. Now that the coffee, sugar, and water is blended, I'll pour it into my cream and sweetened condensed milk and then mix this until it's well blended. So I'll pour it in. Scrape in my bowl. Now that that's well blended, I'll add 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa. It's the cocoa powder. To 2 tablespoons of hazelnut. So I have my hazelnut spread. There's 1 and the 2nd one. Mix this until it's well blended. Then I'll place it in my freezer for about 20 minutes. As you're mixing it, you want to scrape your sides. You can see how nice and smooth this is and how creamy it looks. That looks good. So now I'll turn my mixer off. I have 1 1/2 quart stainless steel bowl. So now I'll place the mixture into my stainless steel bowl. And that's what it looks like. So now I'll put the lid on and place it in my freezer for about 20 minutes. So into the freezer it goes. It's been 20 minutes. It's not quite there yet. I like it a little bit more firmer. So now I'll place it back into the freezer for about an hour and then go check on it. Tastes pretty good. But keep checking on it, because this has been 20 minutes. So back into the freezer it goes. It's been an hour, so now I'm going to take my coffee ice cream out of the freezer. Oh yeah, that firmed up good. This is like a soft serve ice cream. What I'm going to do is just put a little in my bowl. I'll give it a try. Good. This is really good. I would suggest leaving this in your freezer a little bit longer. It's good the way it is because this is a soft serve ice cream. It's not a hard ice cream. But I would like it just a little bit more firmer. So this is in my freezer for an hour. It's still good. I'll put it back in the freezer. So it's whatever you prefer, but it's good either way. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my homemade coffee ice cream. Give it a try. It's really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.